We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with PROG, and this stock has had an explosive 3 days, and after that it has been pulling back pretty fast. We're going to break down some information here, if this is a setup for the next bull run or a true setback pulling downwards. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with PROG. So the opportunities I mentioned this morning turned out to be spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us and know about these opportunities early, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So here are the stocks I mentioned this morning. And one of them nearly reached home run territory, which is 20% plus in a matter of minutes. And that was GOEV. We caught this one as it was consolidating. It dipped after the bell, and from its bottom to the top, it did a full transition on 42 vision, right? This is extreme weakness through the volatility showing strength. We got that bull indicator, and it took off to a highest point of 15% plus. And just moments after, it got the bear indicator and a full transition into weakness. Now, this one was tradable all day. It gave 5 to 10% moves, 10 to 15% moves multiple times, but this was in the first 30 minutes. Now, the other stock I mentioned was GSMG. We caught this one as it was pushing upwards in strength, sitting at 175 before the bell, and then it took off all the way to a highest point here of 197, giving a highest point of 15% plus before transitioning into weakness and sending a bear indicator here based off of ultimate 42 vision. Now, if you want to become part of this and gain access to this clarity in the charts, as well as become part of the community and get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PROG months after it exploded through the squeeze, right? And it hit highs today that we did not even expect. It's beyond expectations, but let's break it down because I want every single investor to be equipped for tomorrow if this is a real dip or real weakness. Now, the last time I talked about PROG and I was watching it was down here at these levels, and it was actually going into weakness, and I talked about it on October 4th on the day it was falling. I talked about it again on October 5th and the 7th, and these were the days I was talking about PROG and stating this is the top stock to watch right now that can go crazy levels. We broke down all the information with the short float and also days to cover, the borrow fee rate, the short squeeze score, and everything going on with it. And then we also broke down, how many short shares were available at the time and everything going on. Now, since that date, there's been a lot that has happened in the chart, but one of the keywords I stated around this time every single day I talked about it was, I'm talking about this stock now. It may not make sense right now, but it will in the future. This is the time where opportunities are formed, especially the next day on the 5th when this came up on 42 vision, because when that comes up, there's usually a reversal, there's usually some strength, and you could see it go there from 125 all the way up to 270. It had to cool off, and it went through other consolidation periods, and this has been an onward battle. Okay, those candlesticks on the 5th did not come up again until up here on October 21st. It hit highs of 355 before falling, and then it took off again. Okay, that's how much clarity 42 vision 2.0 and 42 vision bring to the charts. It is something you can gain access to, and if you want to join us, the link is down below in the description. You gain access to the Discord, the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and the community, as well as the clarity in the charts, guys. And then we have it pop up here again on November, and it was already at around 288, 290-ish, and it took off all the way to the highs today of nearly 621. The question is, could this continue, guys? This is a stock I've been tracking for weeks and for months, and I talked about everything everyone needed to know in this video, guys. Even the video afterwards, and mark my words, if you watch through the video, you will see that I stated it may not make sense right now, and the things I talk about in my videos sometimes don't make sense, but it all plays out, especially how the charts are looking. It's so important to actually get a grasp of what charts are saying and what's going on. So today with Ultimate Vision, right, we could see here with Ultimate 42 Vision, it went into weakness and it sent out a bear indication. Okay, the last bull indication was way down here at 294, and you can just see all that strength there on 42 Vision. A great transition from bull to bear. I mean, nearly a 3x for the last 3 days. Okay. Pulled up with a lot of strength. So the question is, on the 30-minute, is this going to reverse? Well, if I put here the 15-minute, you could see that it is fighting. Okay, these candlesticks have came up of extreme weakness. We need to see if it could fight and reverse back up and transition from red with green borders to dark green and continue into green like we've seen here. And you can see through the volatility, there was a few moments there of bear to bull, but it was actually not that strong of a bear indication, and the bull continued because the strength and reversal started to form again. So in the 15 right now, it is in a very interesting spot, and it's kind of looking weak. These volume bars are a little weak. We need more volume today. Volume has gone down, and it also is only 2 times the average of the last 10 days. So it's important to realize we need a lot of volume to push this back up. It got rejected as well near the last time that it hit those highs, and that was way back here. Way back here. Okay, the last time it touched these levels was way back here in February, and it got rejected when it reached those levels, and it was bound to happen. But the question is this a cooling off phase for another leg up? Well, on the 15-minute, it's trying. On the 30-minute, doesn't look so much like it, and on the 4-hour, it is just starting and beginning to transition into weakness. The only thing is, it's still showing some strength here. If this turns into a red candle and we get a bear indicator pop up, it might mean that further weakness is coming, and so far it has not. The last indication was a bull indicator, and the transitions are forming here. Now, if I put the 1 day though, you can also see that they're both pointing upwards. So the question is, what is going to be the reaction tomorrow and Friday? Are we going to get another green bar here and a strong one pushing up, or are we going to get a smaller one with green and red borders? As well as on the 4-hour, is it going to transition from dark green with red borders to red? Those are the key things I'm watching here with 42 Vision, and also if a bear indicator pops up. But on the 30-minute, not looking so strong. It's trying. On the 15-minute, same thing. And if I put the 5-minute, which is a lot more volatility, you can just see it trying. It has a bull indication here. We'll need to see if it breaks through that resistance level of 470 to keep on pushing higher tomorrow, or is it going to break through the support of 431 to go even lower. But if we go ahead and break this down based off the 30-minute, the support is down here at 431, and the resistance level is up here at 534 to try to bounce off of that and try to reach those highs of 620 to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.